Hi, I just wanted to do a quick introduction to this video. So we're building some core cyber skills and we're doing a quick visit on Hack the Box and going on a retired box called Blue, which uses a vulnerability called Eternal Blue, MS17010, and basically skips the research stage of the exploit. But basically, it's me jumping on the box through Hack the Box, getting the IP address, and then basically using that vulnerability, using Metasploit, and then through to the point of getting the flags. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. So giving Blue a go on Hack the Box. A little bit special on how I like it. Vertical there.
They wrote us a note. Enjoy your stay, and please stay out of room 6277.
That was creepy.
Anyway, have a good night. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
What if I wanted to break? Laugh it all off in your face.
So, quickly doing an nmap scan. T4 means fast. All ports and all the other
What if I fell to the floor? Couldn't take this anymore.
And space minus A means running all known scripts.
What if I wanted to fight? Beg for the rest of my life. What would you do? You say you wanted more. What are you waiting for? I'm not running from you. Come break me down. Bury me, I am finished with you. Look in my eyes. You're killing me, all I wanted was you. I tried to be someone else, but nothing seemed to change. I know now this is who I really am inside.
So what we're looking for is through research, anything that's equivalent to SMB version 1.
For a chance, I know now
From read up of this box, it's basically the vulnerability Eternal Blue. So if I search Eternal Blue, with a space, on metal exploit. So then use 0. So that's SMB remote. Go options. Right, so I can. That's the wrong IP because that's my local one that I've got on my VMware client. So if I go, if I either interface or actually
You're killing me, all I wanted was you. Come break me down.
4, so that's fine. Automatic targeting, that's ideal. And there's 2 ways we can run this: is exploit, or we can say action, but I'm doing exploit, sounds cooler. Highly likely this is vulnerable to MS17010. And the buffer of attack happens. We're in. So that's Cosmo Interpreter's shell. If I help, let's have a look at a few of the commands that we can run. Start at the top, so get user ID, upload 1, then we jump into a shell, so we jump into a shell, and then we'll get a flag, so we're on as administrator level privileges, so there's no need to migrate onto a different process. So system info, sys, seems like a good idea. Info, shell. Now if we're currently in the C drive Windows System 32, so go back to the user folder.
Now when most people think of heaven, they see those pearly gates. But I looked a little closer.
LDIR, see what's in there. So we've got Harris, as we've seen that's the name of the computer, so if I clean the options for Harris. Either documents or desktop. Can't tab this because of the shell that we're in. No. Cool, and there's a flag there. So if I more that, I'm not going to hit enter, but then that's getting the user flag. If I the administrator flag, see what happens when it
I'd rather be alone now that I'm dead. I Christian her soy way back in 87. We'll be busting Christ hands until we get to heaven. You think I really care that I missed biology? Got my education in sales psychology. With all your rules, you got to chill. I'm gonna twist out like Mike McGill. Gonna twist out because I got the skills. Gonna twist out